tell a friend. And it's almost Halloween, as you can see. Even our pumpkins are here, but I feel like we're missing something. It's a short, quick Halloween decoration that's going to look wonderful, and it doesn't take a lot of time. So now let's start. And now we just need this milk bottle that's plastic, and 1 marker, and 3 glow sticks for me and Tella. Oh, and that's it. And take the label off the milk carton. You have to make it naked. Okay, with no clothes. Everyone draw a spooky face. Well, I don't even get it. Now we're done with our faces, and now we're going to open the lid and crack these and then put them inside the carton. Let's open the lid, just like I said. Then now. And now we're going to turn off the light and see if we need more glow sticks. Well, it's cool, but we need to add more. Oh, some of them. One is pink.
Ria's lucky that she has a different color.
So for this project, we need a balloon, a head of hair, and markers, and scissors, and tissue paper. And step 1, we have to draw a ghost. That size. It's a little small.
Look, it has fangs. Mommy, look. This ghost has fangs.
I want one more too, like a pumpkin.
Mommy, look at my ghost and my pumpkin. This ghost has fangs.
What about yours, Ria? Come on, talk on a star.
This might sound weird, but we're gonna rub the balloon on our head 10 to 20 times. And then it'll give the balloon the power to lift these up. Are you ready, Ria?
Yeah.
So that go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Whoa!
Mommy, look, I did it! Mommy!
Good job, Ria. Oh, look.
The ghost is Steve.
Yay! You're not my baby. Carrying is very fun.
So cool. I'm taking a shower.
And it was really fun. And don't forget to subscribe to Tell a Friend. Bye!